guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alicia. So this week on my channel is going to be a Christmas themed week. I know it's still July, but I do want to do the whole Christmas in July thing. So today we're going to the biggest Christmas store in Texas. They just opened today for the season, so I'm excited to see what all they have out, and you know, just go get the whole Christmas vibes going. So yeah. We made it to Decorators warehouse. This is the biggest Christmas store in Texas, supposedly. So. Yeah. This is a real Christmas store. Like, look at all of the Christmas goodies. Look at all of the Christmas. I want to show you this. I told him to go get a buggy. Do they got price tags on?
Yeah.
Okay, $7.99, $800. How much the picks?
I'm not sure. I couldn't hear them.
I guess we don't really need a buggy. Here, you can put the buggy there.
I'll put it back.
Okay. See, you don't like this?
Sorry,
that's too much. A lot of them on the road. Ooh, look at that tree. That's nice. I like it. Look at the star at the top. Well, that's nice. Yeah, we are. If we ever have kids, we're definitely doing the letters to Santa.
Yeah. I needed 12-point font.
12-point font, MLA format.
Cite your sources.
Cite your sources.
Yep. I need links to.
Oh my heart, step by step and day by day. One day it's all gonna fade away. Even when we're a world apart, you stole my heart.
Look at all of the Christmas ribbon. Oh, they have fall ribbon too. They got fall ribbon too.
Step by step and day by day. One day it's all gonna fade away.
Oh, you can probably do it on that too.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Crazy. Let's see if we can do it on our camera. Put it like all.
Yeah, it do. Look at that. How do people look?
Oh, we gotta buy it.
Christmas tree carry out.
You can stay to live it.
That's crazy. Nope, put it back.
12
feet. That'd be just high enough.
I mean, we do have high ceilings, so. But $1,700? I don't know.
Oh, we do 800 for the feet. What that is? 9 feet ain't bad.
That's 9 feet? Yeah. That's a true 9 feet. That's not like Walmart 9 feet.
It's all gonna fade away. Even when we're a world apart, you stole my heart.
they have the Christmas music playing. Like, yes, give me all of Christmas.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, we gotta get one of these too. I want to get one of these ones. Yeah. And we just pop them up everywhere. Yeah, we got to get an elf on the shelf. Leave a comment below if y'all do that.
Man, why y'all gotta coax y'all? Why you gotta coax your children to do that?
I don't even know what it like. What is the big thing behind elf on the shelf? How you doing?
Hi.
Huh?
Somebody watching.
Oh. So they don't mess
So
up.
they don't mess up.
Step by step and day by day, one day it's all gonna fade away. Even when
Oh, babe. If you love me,
Oh no.
if you love me, you have to get these Hallmark Christmas movies. I probably mentioned this in one of my other vlogs, but this is like the pattern I want to go this year for Christmas. So like I want my tree to be like red and black, just like
Everybody do
this.
For real, this is an actual coffee shop right there. Like whenever they open, oh man, I come.
you stole my heart, step by step and day by day, one day it's all gonna fade away.
I
Even
want a flock. I want a flock tree though.
That's the one with the bud stuff.
The snow looking stuff. Yeah. Music is what's making it like very Christmassy for me. The music is doing it for real.
And day by day, one day it's all gonna fade away. Even when we're
See, this is kind of flocked.
Yeah. I'm excited about that.
Really.
one day it's all gonna fade away. Even when we're a world apart, you stole my heart.
Oh look, a calendar. The Advent calendar. If y'all haven't seen this movie on Netflix, y'all need to go watch this. What is it called? It's not called Advent. I'm gonna pop the name up right here. I'm scared to get one of these.
You know what's going on.
I feel like this is how Mariah Carey's house looks. She like the Queen of Christmas, right? No? Ain't she like the Queen of Christmas? Don't people say that? No?
I've never heard that. Do you need ribbon? You ain't doing the right type of ribbon until you get this ribbon. How much is this? $30. This is a $30 ribbon. Real ribbon.
This is how I want my tree to look, just like this.
Yeah, that's,
You don't like it?
what is that?
Don't say it. That's stupid.
What is that at the top?
That's like a substitute for a star.
Why substitute the stuff?
Step by step and day by day, one day it's all gonna fade away.
I like how each tree, they have like, if you want your tree to look like this, they have all the stuff in front of it to make it look like this. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Peace.